how do we set up the Pallmann Spray Mop? This is new to the Pallmann range, and we're going to take everything out of the box and show you how to set yours up. So we've got a bottle of wood floor cleaner. This one's concentrated. There's a little guide there for setting up and maintaining your wooden floor. We have the head with the microfibre mop, bottom of the mop, and the top of the handle. So let's just quickly assemble this. It's very, very simple, which makes this product really great. So first of all, we're going to get this part of the mop and this part of the head, and we're just going to click it into place like that. Secondary, we're going to get the top of the handle, put it in and just click it into place, and then that's how simple putting this mop together is. That is now ready to go. So how do I fill up the Pallmann Spray Mop? So you can see on the front here we have an empty bottle, and this simply just comes off like this. Just like others on the market, it is a refillable bottle, so we can just twist, take the top off, and then we can fill this up. And what's great about this is we actually have an indicator on the front here where we have a line to fill up with water, and then the rest is to be filled up with the cleaner, concentrated cleaner that comes with the spray mop. This size and also 5 litres of the cleaner is also available on Ultimate Floor Care's website for you to keep stocked up every time you need to clean the floor. Fill up the Pallmann Spray Mop. That's how simple it is. Now we've filled it up, we can just put our cap back on, make sure it's nice and tight, and it just clips on in place. From here you can see we've only used about 50 ml of this cleaner, and there's 750 ml in a bottle, so this is going to last a long time. So some great benefits of this Pallmann Spray Mop is we have a refillable tank. The cleaner we're only technically using around about 50 ml, so it lasts really long. It's lightweight, not bulky at all. And the microfibre mop, like Velcro base, so we can just throw that into the wash, and feeling that actually feels nice and thick, and a good quality microfibre as well. Also on the top we have a little hook where you can store that as well and put it on a hook in the home.